Welcome back to Luxurious Homes, a custom log home, timber frame, and conventional home builder located in Ontario, Canada. Today we have a second tour of our Silent Shade custom log home. It's the little touches that make the biggest difference, like the faux antler chandelier or the authentic farm equipment hanging from the ceiling. The solid copper tub and sink were a nice touch in this home. And here's another copper tub in the master bedroom. More farm implements hanging from the ceiling for that rustic charm. The attention to detail on the outside decks is just as high as on the inside of the house. Thanks for watching. When you're ready to build your own luxurious home, give us a call or visit us online at luxurioushomes.com.